You think we missed them all?
I don't think we did.
How dare you!
I think there's something at more. We just saw fireworks over here, guys.
So we're trying to view more for y'all to see.
Yeah.
If you didn't see a fireworks show.
Oh my god.
We're lifting so you can get a better view.
Focus. Thank you. Oh my god. It's focusing. I think the fireworks show's over.
Yeah.
We're sorry, guys. No! Oh! Oh, we did it! Okay, zoom. Zoom it. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're pink.
Oh, wow, that's so beautiful.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yes, they are.
Zoom out a little bit.
Very pretty. Oh, my god. First fireworks show.
Sorry if you can hear it.
It's not even our voices, but this is so cool.
It's not even 4th of July. It's July 9th.
It's past July 9th. It's past July. It's focusing. It's focused. Okay, well, focused.
Okay. Focused on the fireworks.
Yes.
At least I am.
I am too. I'm focused.
Come on, fireworks.
They're probably sitting. They're probably close the door.
One of those be warm.
I can. Hurry up. They're about to start. Hurry. They're not starting, but they're probably lighting it. Hurry. They're lighting it. They're probably lighting it first. You still have 20 seconds. 20. Hey, come on, hurry. Okay, I don't see any fireworks left. What a... Not for pausing, but we got a fireworks show. Let's focus now. There we go. Oh my god.
Happy lefties.
Oh my god. Oh my god, so gorgeous. See, I told you I was lighting. It's right there. Look how pretty they are. Ow, Westy.
You're lustier.
Gosh, we're trying to watch. Oh my god, so pretty. See, this is what happens when you live next to someone. Yes.
And they're so loud they might interrupt your sleep.
Sorry. I want to post this because it's so cool.
And I want everyone living in apartments to see.
They're probably lighting another one. It's not even 4th of July, guys. 4th of July.
I'm gonna just chew on my bed.
I'll just look at the window.
Cause I'm around. Tell me when they're started.
Okay, you can totally see they're almost started. It's probably lighting it. Yeah, we're just trying to wait for it.
Once they're out.
Well, they can probably get some from their home, I guess. Probably buy a lot for this year. So I just got bored. Probably teenagers. It's probably teenagers out here probably setting up fireworks. No offense, teenagers, but just saying, 4th of July is over.
Look at the rat.
No one cares. Everyone cares about the fireworks. Focus. Are you focusing? Focus. We're not showing you guys
Look
any.
how much damage. Look at that damage. That was all.
Wait, let fireworks! Fireworks, oh my god. Yes.
I can't believe we're getting this on video.
Alright.
I can still watch.
Look at that pretty color. I'll set you out to right here. There you go. Right here. Oh my god, look how pretty. We're getting it filmed. Who does not want to film this? Like, everyone wants to film this beautiful, gorgeous thing. Sorry, there's a blue light over there. There's a blue thing. I'm glad y'all got experience, so we see, because it's so cool.
And we're kind enough to film it for those people that live in apartments and there's no.
Or if you like
houses.
if you live somewhere far away from here, you might be fireworks. Exciting. So I don't know if they're over yet, but I think they're still going. So here's a tour. Well, you can't see anything but start. But we're just waiting for fireworks.
And I'm getting damage.
Her bad.
Look at that.
What was that? If y'all heard that, that was like a car squeaking. You know, I don't record at night, but whatever. Recording right now because fireworks. I think they're done. No one.
I had to literally scream at you. didn't I?
Yeah. I don't know if they're done or not. Probably lining one right now. It's ticking. I thought I saw a firework.
I've done way more damage now.
Car that's passing by. We're just waiting. I think they're done.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. We still have like 5 minutes left. So we get this on video and it gets done. So I don't know if it's done or not, but we wait.
How much longer do we have?
5 minutes. 5 seconds.
5 seconds left.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna end it here, guys, because I don't think they're shooting any fireworks anymore.
We'll start again if they start again.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.